Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games, and today we have a problem about Jenny eating jelly beans. So let's take a look. Each day, Jenny ate 20% of the jelly beans that were in her jar at the beginning of that day. At the end of the second day, 32 remained. The question is, how many jelly beans were in the jar originally? So let's say the number of jelly beans that was in the jar originally is J, a big J, okay? And every day, Jenny ate 20%, so we had 100% and then minus 20%. So we multiply that, so every day that happens, so after the first day, that's the number of jelly beans that remained. And so what about the second day, right? On the second day, we would have what we had on the first day, except she would eat 20% more, right? So every day, the number of jelly beans in the jar decreased by 20%. So, and that's it, we have the equation that we want. Now, 100% minus 20%, it is the same as 80%, right? So we know that equals 32 because 32 jelly beans remained. Now, 80% we can rewrite it as a simpler function, which is 4 divided by 5, okay? So we have 4 divided by 5 equals 32, okay? So we want to know what J is. Well, all we have to do now is to put all those fractions to the other side. So we flip them. We now have 5 divided by 4 and then 5 divided by 4. So 4 times 4, that is 16. So we have 32 times 5 divided by 16. Now 32 divided by 16, that's just 2. So we have 2 times 5 times 5. And then 5 squared is 25. So 2 times 25 is 50. So the original number of jelly beans in the jar is 50. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.